What's your name?
Pag hindi mo siya nakikinig. Nate!
Nate, how do you spell your name?
N-A-T.
Hi, I'm your son, Nathan Matugas.
Ano sa tingin mo yung ginagawa ko pag nagtatrabaho ako?
Magawa ng videos.
What do you think of my job?
I think it's pretty cool working a graveyard shift. You search for clients and then they make you do something for their podcasts.
Anong mas gusto mo? Magtrabaho ako sa labas, sa office, or magtrabaho ako dito lang ako sa bahay mag-work?
Dito!
Bakit?
Kasi makikita kita.
Would you rather that I work from home or that I work at the office?
Probably at home.
Why?
My sister, she cries when you're not here.
Yeah.